Hey everybody, Matthew Morris, MM Wood Studio. It's Monday, February 26th, and there's been a lot of stuff going on here in the shop. Let's get into it. So this week, I really spent time getting the shop finally finished and prepped to start shooting all these new YouTube movies that I've been wanting to do. So the first thing I wanted to do was to just finish the first major project that I had in here after the place was built, which is the paint. And I finished painting one section of the shop that had just been lagging. And the reason that section of the shop wasn't painted before was I ran out of paint and I just never went out and bought the paint and finished the section. So I got some paint and I finished painting this. And the other reason I wanted to finish this area was so I can get this lumber rack up to get all of the lumber that was used for the garden, and we'll make some more garden boxes in the garden up and off of the concrete, because I actually want to put some stuff below it. Now the next thing I want to do here in the shop was to expand the area of which I have these anti-fatigue mats. I do have an overhead rig set up right now, and I wanted to be able to shoot down on the bench and show you what's going on right here in front of me if I grab a tool, if I do an unboxing, if I do a comparison of two tools, or a multitude of things. I really wanted an overhead rig to be able to show what's right on the bench from a top perspective. As you can see, it's not in the shot right now. I have enough incline on it that it's able to stay out of the shot. That's been pretty much it this week. It's been getting the rest of the shop ready to do the next steps. Remember in the beginning of the year, I talked about how I want to grow the channel, and I still want to do that. And there are a couple things I need to finish to get ready to start producing all that content that I have lined up. So that's pretty much it for this week here in the shop. What did you guys do? What did you build? Let me know. I'm really curious, and put that in the comments below. And as always, please subscribe to the channel, share with your friends, and hit that thumbs up button if you like this video. If you're watching this on Facebook, hit the like button, share in your timeline, and head over to the MM Wood Studio page and like us there as well. And as always, have a great week in the shop.